Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings in front of you today, and today I have a very special unboxing on this channel. I told you guys that I will be coming back to tech, and here I am back to the technology and making these unboxings of these new just released items. Now what I have in front of me is the all new Fire HD 10 Kids Edition tablet. So it has a 10.1 inch display, it has a 1080p full HD display, it actually has 32 gigabytes of inbuilt storage, and it has a blue kid-proof case. Now, this is sold on Amazon for £199.99, but you can also pick it up at major retailing stores like Argos, John Lewis, etc, etc. It comes in blue, which I'm going to be unboxing for you today, but it also comes in the colour pink if you want to do that as well. If you purchase this item from Amazon, you have the option to wrap it as a gift. You also have an option to add a screen protector, which is a clear screen protector for £9.99. Some headphones, some foldable headphones which are blue also, to match the blue colour, which is £29.90. But it also comes with wireless kids headphones, which is also blue, which is £49.99. So you can get either a wired headphone set, or you could get a wireless headphone set, which is pretty awesome. Now I'm just going to read for you some key specifications on this tablet, because I think that's very, very important. So again, I told you it has a 10.1 Full HD display. It has an IPS display, which is basically in-plane switching. It has a quad-core 1.8 GHz processor with 2 GB of RAM. So the RAM is not that high, but it's pretty good for a tablet, and for the price as well, it's pretty amazing. So without further ado, let me just actually go into the actual tablet and just show you what you get inside. So as you see in front of the box, you can see it says Fire HD 10 Kids Edition, blue case, and it says 32 GB tablet, and you can see it's by Amazon because it's an Amazon tablet. It's an Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. On the side there's nothing much, okay, the side there's nothing much, but on the back this is where things get a bit more interesting. But let me just actually take it out of the protective case first, because it's really annoying to have in the way. So there's a little plastic on there, and just some key specifications here. You can see it says some of the key specs on the top there. It comes with 10.1 HD display, full HD display. You can actually put an external microSD card in here up to 256 gigabytes, which is pretty awesome. It's a quad-core processor. It's dual band HD Wi-Fi, and it has a front and a rear camera, so you can take pictures and stuff, which is pretty awesome. And it also comes with Dolby sound, which is good as well. And you can see it might have, I don't know what this is showing you, Angry Birds, In the Night Garden, Wreck-It Ralph. I know there's these people. I've seen this on TV. Anyway, but it comes with these games, maybe pre-installed, I'm not sure. I never owned one of these tablets before. I've owned a Fire HD 7, but it wasn't a kids edition, so I don't know if they're pre-installed or not. And you can see it says designed with kids in mind. Okay, it says a Fire HD 10 tablet with powerful quad-core processor, brilliant 1080p Full HD display, stereo speakers, dual cameras, and a microSD slot for up to 256 gigabytes of expandable storage, plus a 1 year of Amazon Fire Kids Unlimited, a kid-proof case, and 2-year worry-free guarantee. Okay, so it comes with a 2-year guarantee in there as well. At the back of the box, it also says it comes with built-in parental controls, endless fun for kids. If they try to break it, we'll replace it. No questions needed. So essentially, if the child, gets the tablet, and if they throw it on the floor out of random anger, and you contact Amazon, Amazon should be able to replace it for you. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. And you can see what's in the box. It says Black Fire HD tablet, 7th generation, Amazon kid-proof case, Amazon power adapter, USB charging cable, and built-in rechargeable battery. Okay, so I don't know why they said built-in rechargeable battery and Amazon tablet. I mean, that should be self-explanatory already. But without further ado, let me just actually pull this back. So you have a little sort of strip here where you pull back. So Amazon is actually known to do these fancy things, so that's pretty cool. Okay, let's see what's inside the box, what we get. So guys, this is just like, this kind of looks like an Amazon logo, but this was actually just released a few days ago, and no one's actually made a YouTube video on this, so I decided to be the first one on this platform to make a video on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. So you can see the tablets right here, very, very nice indeed. I'm just actually going to open it out of the package. It just comes with simple sort of packaging, nothing too complicated here. Let's just put it out of the box, out of the packaging, not out of the box, out of the packaging. Give it a little smell test, and it smells pretty cool. It comes actually with this sort of nice 3D printed case, as you can see at the back. You can see this nice 3D printed case, and it has these sort of ridges on it, which when you put your hand across, it feels really nice, and it looks really illusional actually from a distance, which is pretty cool. And it says fire for kids, so you can see it's for kids, and essentially if you drop the tablet, it won't break. Essentially, that's what they're claiming. So I don't know if you want me to do a drop test on this, I might. If I was going to comment on this case, a few things I would say. If you look closely, you could have seen that the case hasn't actually been cut properly. There's been some damages there. If you look on this side, you can also see some of the case manufacturing issues as well there. Something which doesn't really look a bit more looks premium, but something which looks a bit more tacky. But again, guys, this is a kid's tablet, so I don't really have a problem with that. And it says on the side here, Amazon Fulfillment Service and USA. Okay. If you take the tablet outside the case, you can actually look at the top here. By the way, guys, don't be wondering why am I filming in front of my fish tank. It's because this is the best lighting I could find around my whole house. So don't comment on that. But you can see this is the 10.1 inch display, full HD display that they've been promising. And you can see the Amazon logo there, the rear camera there, and the front facing camera there, which is pretty awesome. On the front here, on the top here actually, you can see the volume rocker, the volume up and volume down, the 3.5mm head jack, the micro USB port there, and the on power button. And here we have a little, on the side here, we have a little port here, where you can put your expandable storage, your up to 256 gigabytes of expandable storage with a micro SD card. I would prefer using a SanDisk card. And they put the speakers on this side here, one here, and one here. So it's a dual speakers by Dolby. And what I like about Amazon, what they've done here is pretty cool, because that means that if you have your tablet down here, or if you have it like that, there won't be any sound being blocked. So that's pretty awesome for Amazon to do in terms of aesthetics. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it back in the case actually, just to show you guys how it looks like in the case again. So you just pop it in the case very easily. And kids can bring this to the playground with them. They can drop this on the phone. It just came on by itself. It won't break or anything, in my opinion. Okay, because even these has you have raised ridges here. So if you have it falling like this, it won't break the tablet. But if it does, Amazon claims that they'll replace it free of charge, which is pretty awesome. And what you can see, I'll just make that thing here, but you can see that there's ports here cut for the speakers, but unfortunately there aren't no ports cut for the micro SD adapter. So that's something which Amazon might have done due to the kids being a kid, but I don't know. But I'm just going to put the tablet here to the side so you can sort of admire it whilst I'm showing you the rest of the unboxing. Inside the box further, what do we get? Well, I'm just going to pull it right out so you guys can see. Nothing else inside the box, as you can see. Okay, but we do get stuff which is in here. Now, we have a little sort of, flip out instruction manual, which says Kid Edition. And I'm just going to put this, first thing we get in the box is the Fire HD instruction manual. Very, very simple instruction manual here. It shows you how you can swipe to unlock, how to power on your tablet. And what I actually like about this instruction manual is it's very kid and children friendly. So what that means is that, if a child was to get this and was to read it themselves, it's very easy for them to understand where certain buttons are. For example, here, they say the power button's here. And if you look at the camera's there, and it shows you, how to power it on, which is pretty awesome for Amazon to actually implement in their instruction manual. And you can also see, how it shows you how to charge a tablet and how to remove the case to install an SD card. So it actually shows you, it tells you that you have to remove it to install the SD card. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Inside here, one of these things here, we get the Amazon, USB adapter. This is the actually standard Amazon USB adapters that I actually got with my Amazon Echo Show. So, this is the exact same thing, I think. It looks like the exact same thing. But there we go, it's adapter, and it has this nice Amazon branding there, which is pretty good and nice to have, because if you're an Amazon fan like me, you'd understand why you would like to have that. And then inside you get the micro USB cable here, okay, so which is pretty awesome. And in here, what do we have? We have nothing in here, okay, which is a bit weird because it's... Okay, so that's that. Okay, so let me just actually get to the tablet now and see what we see. So it says welcome to Fire. Continue, and I'm going to click on I'm going to enter my password very quickly, and there we go. It's been connected to the thing. So it's just a step checking for software updates. Please wait. Now this is a just released tablet like a few days ago, so I don't think there will be any software updates, but there is apparently. So there's a firmware updating. £199 and 99 pence, plus a free 2-year warranty. Even if your kids get this and smash it on the floor, Amazon is willing to take their risk and replace it. That's pretty awesome. I mean, who would do that? Apart from Amazon, who would do that? Don't think anyone would. It says installing updates, please wait. Just a sec, checking software update. There's a lot of software updates. Can I skip this step? I want to skip this step. I have to create an account. Loading, please wait. Okay, so I need to wait. And I need to put my payment method. Set up a child's account, 12 months included. Blah blah blah. You can see that there, very nice. Very bright colors, you can see there. Does it rotate on portrait mode? I don't know how to, like, it's not rotating on portrait mode. Is there something wrong? Yeah, okay, so essentially it comes with this sort of, you know, menu here, and you can see it comes with some preloaded things. So it comes with junior episodes, Disney Junior episodes. It comes with Tyrannosaurus Rex, Thomas and the Dinosaur. What the hell is that? A dinosaur came in Thomas and the Tank. What? Peppa Pig. You know, everyone knows what Peppa Pig is. But yeah, it comes with all these preloaded apps. You can see, you can, you know, it has all these apps on your home screen. You can go on books. So if your child likes to read, like, you know, storybooks, or, you know, at night they want to read like a book with, you know, their mum or the father, it's pretty cool because you can actually teach them to read it themselves. Because, you know, if they're using this for the whole day, it's very good as an educational tool, and also, you know, an entertainment tool, which is pretty cool. So I think they're downloading. That's why they're taking long. But you can have videos, so you can have certain videos. You can search for videos, so you can search for Shrek or whatever you want to search for. I don't know. Apps, characters. You can go on the web. Let's actually look at the web because that's interesting, and that's something which you don't have to download. So I'm going to enter, let's say, you know, google.com. Okay, and let's see if you go to a website which is restricted. Let's say if I go on a betting website, for example, does it allow me or will it block me? So let's just check. But google.com is not working, for the record. Google.com. Now, I'm not too sure. Try something else. Oh, so that's the www. That's a bit weird. .google.com. Now, that's a bit weird why it doesn't work. So it doesn't allow you to go on Google. I mean, some people might think it's too restrictive for their kids. Some people might think their kids should be allowed to go on, access certain videos on YouTube. Some people might not think that. But as you can see, you can go on YouTube, you can go on Barbie and stuff and watch, you know, all these things. So your kids will probably have a 100% secure tablet. You know, they won't be able to access any material like over 18, probably over 15 even. So everything will be restricted and parental restricted, which is pretty awesome to have. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Amazon Fire HD10 Kids Edition tablet and the short sort of introduction of what the tablet actually does. You know, it's an awesome tablet. It has all these sort of things you can watch. You can watch Peppa Pig, so you can watch, you know, an episode of Peppa Pig if you wanted to. You can see how quick it loads. I'm actually going to test the sound. Actually, I haven't tested the sound enough. So it says live stream recording is not possible. Why is this happening to me? Peppa Pig custom Christmas Carol sing along. Oh, so you can watch. So you can see. Yes, you can watch. So you can watch Peppa Pig if you wanted to. You know, it's not going to be an issue. So yeah, the sound is pretty awesome as well, as I just told you. So that's the unboxing, guys, of the Amazon Fire HD10 Kids Edition tablet with the blue case on it. Now, personally, I don't think that, you know, even if I had a kid, I'll probably let them use an ordinary tablet. I don't know why you have to buy a special tablet for them. But that's it. Anyway, that's the unboxing. Have a nice day, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my box and run for more videos. If you want to see a review on this tablet, leave your comments down below and I'll see what I can do. Have a nice day, guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!